friends, today we'll be discussing about two words which is sensible and sensitive. What does it make sense? What's the precise meaning of these words? What is sensible? What is sensitive? What make difference between sensible and sensitive? What are the differences? What are the things can be said sensible or sensitive? So we'll discuss. So firstly, sensible means a good understanding of a situation, a condition, of everything, anything. It could be a situation, it could be a thing, it could be emotion, it could be related to emotion, it could be related to understanding of people, speaking and doing work well, these type of things. And the precise meaning of a word sensible is a good understanding of situations, is sensible. But sensitive means you are so emotional. That means easily you be sad. Easily you be sad. That can be called sensitive. Sensitive means if you've seen many person, I've seen many times as it happened with sisters, they are so sensitive, not sensible. Sometimes they do nonsense thing. Means something happens and they got a small injury and they just fall down, they just fell down and they met and so small incidents and they just try to show that this is what happened with me and it's a so big thing and this situation cannot be handled by everyone and I did this. Sometimes they do. So sensitive means you easily be sad, you easily get something in the wrong way. If you are sensitive now, a sensitive person is just they could good understanding, but sometimes they try to pretend that it's a big thing, it's a big deal, it's not a piece of cake, it's not a cup of tea. So who are so emotional, who are so they easily be sad, so they are sensitive. And sensible, the person who have good understanding, they are sensible. And the person who can be easily sad, who can be emotionally sad, who is so emotional, can be called sensitive. I hope you got that. You got the difference between sensible and sensitive and what kind of things can be that. And the huge difference in the sensitive is it's totally different. Sensible is something and sensitive is something. So do remember this, and if you like the video, so like, comment, share. I just thought that people have it's so hard for people to make it.